If you want to learn how you can design a book cover like this along with its spine and place it on a mock-up that resembles a real printed book, then stay tuned. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this e-cover for free using simple tools. We'll achieve this together in 3 easy steps. First, I'll show you how to speed up your work with design templates. I'll then go over the fundamental elements you should consider when creating a book cover. And finally, we'll place it on a mock-up to make your book stand out. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll be dropping tips and hacks to help you speed up your workflow, and also share ways you can use this in your business. To get started, head over to SmartMockups.com. This is the site where you can find a plethora of real-life mockups for all of your needs. To gain access to downloads, you may need to sign up for a free account, so I've included a link to this site below the video. First, let's start with the books category. If you wish, you can browse through the results and pick your choice, but they've made it easy for us to narrow our search. So in this case, I will choose soft cover books. Now I'll scroll down to find a suitable book cover for this tutorial. And as you may have noticed, some of the designs are marked as pro. This means you'll need a pro account to use them, but the free ones are actually sufficient for creating e-covers. So what you can do is to filter the results to show only the free ones at the top bar. Now, any designs you use here will be free to use and download. Also, by hovering your mouse on the mockups, you will immediately see how your design will look if you use them, which is a useful feature. So let me choose this one. Although I'll be designing on Canva, the reason why I came here first in this case is to see the sizes I'll be designing for, as this will make it much easier to place my designs on them when I'm done. However, if you already have the design in a different size, such as a square book, you'll always find a mock-up that will fit. So we need to design 3 things here, which are the front and back covers as well as the spine. However, we can get away with using the front cover twice, since the back cover isn't visible enough. In that case, I'll have to note the size of this cover, which is 5.5 by 8.5 inches. But they've made it much easier by giving us the pixel size, and that is 1500 by 2320. So next, go to Canva, which is, in my opinion, the best design app that anyone can use, even if they have no design experience. It is completely free to use, and if you don't have an account, you can get one by clicking the first link in the description below. That way, you can follow along with me in this tutorial. So first, I'll create a new design by clicking on the custom size. Then enter the book dimension, which is 1500 by 2320. And then create a new design. So after opening up the canvas, let's search for book covers. Or, since I'll be designing for a real estate author, let's see if there's a template for that. Really, there are templates for that. But as you can see, it has a pro icon, which means you'll need a subscription to use this. But, as I promised, everything we'll do here will be completely free. So let me go back to book covers and find a template to work on. I think I will use this. The overlaid rectangles will be useful. So now that you've decided on a template, the first step is to find a background that is related to what you're designing. And if you like, you can go minimalistic and have no background image, as long as it fits your genre. You are good to go. So I will search for real estate here on the Elements tab, and then click on Photos. And you can see there are a lot of pictures here. A hack you can use to speed up your work is to filter down to what you need. So I will try to look at the vertical designs alone. And then we can go with this building. To enlarge the image, click and drag the handles with your mouse. And then, by clicking away, Canva will make your background image. The overlaid rectangles are not scaled to the edges, which is what I'm going to fix here. So next, let's find a graphic that can complement this. I will search for house and key, since that is related to real estate anyway. I will then remove the previous filter, since I would like to see any graphics here. So click on the Graphics tab, and let's use this straight away. I will go ahead and change the black color to white. And now we can add some text. I don't want these fonts, so I'll delete them and add my own text. On the left bar, click on Text and add a header. Then fill in your cover title. I'll break it into parts and duplicate it. To duplicate, simply press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. And then fill in your other text. Now the next pro hack that designers use is what we call contrast. This means using different elements that complement each other, such as choosing a light color on a dark background or vice versa, or using a bold and thin font together. So I'll find a cursive font and a bold one here. Then scale it out and in, where necessary to have a balanced design. Another thing I can do is find a simple graphic that can be added, like a star or any other shape. I will then change the color and duplicate it to the right. Now we are almost done. What we need to do next is to add color, since that is also a crucial element in design. So to select these two icons, simply hold Shift and click them one after the other, and choose a color to apply to both. Let's choose something that goes well with the background. And I guess it's a nice idea to apply the same color on the key and house as well. And I think I should make this pro text a bold one like that of the invest text. So I will click on the B letter. You can also apply this by clicking Ctrl+B on your keyboard. I'll have to scale it down a bit and finish off by adding the author's name. And my friend, if you are receiving any value from this video, go ahead and click the like button so that it can reach more people. Also, smash the subscribe button for more awesome tutorials. So next, click on Share and then download as PNG. Now let's go back to SmartMockups. Since we have the cover design, we need to design the spine, and that is way easier. First, I'll take note of the size, which is 2320 by 200, and head back to Canva. I will create another custom design with the spine dimension. Next, I will choose a background color that kind of matches the book cover color. Then I'll add the title of the book using a similar font. And also change its color to white. The author's name is usually at the edge, so I'll add it to the two ends using the subheading text. And anytime the text is small, simply click on the text size to increase it. I'll change the color to white, then duplicate it to the other end. Alright, the book spine is complete, and I'll simply download it to my PC. Now we've got to the final stage. Let's go back to SmartMockups and click the Upload From button. And as you can see, we can upload directly from Canva as they both integrate. But since we've downloaded it, I'll just upload it from my PC. And how amazing is this? You only need to click on the download button, then choose the medium quality, and your ebook cover and e-cover mockup are ready for use. Now you can use this to promote your ebook for your Amazon KDP or your own store. You can as well use it for your lead magnet, which can be a checklist, ebook, or PDF. And if you want to generate more leads and sales for your books using other people's content, I showed you how to do that in this video showing up on your screen right now. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to boop the like button and also smash the subscribe button. And I'll see you in this video. Peace.